Hey everyone, I'm Olivér Kovács, a Hungarian composer. In this video lesson, I'll cover how to create a heartbreakingly sad music piece with an orchestra. I'll include everything you need to know on this topic, from the chord progression to orchestration. Let's get started. A sad music piece is most often performed at a slow tempo. A fast tempo does not suit this emotion, so I adjusted the tempo to 80 BPM. I observed that time signatures such as 3/4 time and 6/8 time are well suited for this type of music. My piece is in 3/4 time. The scale I used is the melodic minor because at a slow tempo it effectively conveys sorrow and sadness. I set the key signature to C minor, which is ideal for the main instrument, the oboe, as it is neither too high nor too low for this instrument. It's a good strategy to use more minor chords supplemented with diminished chords rather than major chords. Minor chords contribute darkness and sadness, while diminished chords convey tension. Too many major chords create a reflective, nostalgic feeling. I'll show you some chord pairs that work well in a sad, melancholic music piece. The first violin plays the main melody alongside the oboe. The second violins follow with the other oboe. The violas provide harmonies, while one of the clarinets play the upper viola voice and the bassoon follows the lower voice. The cellos and double basses provide bass notes in an octave doubling. To create a more definite rhythm, the cellos and double basses play pizzicato on the first note of each beat, giving a sorrowful, waltz-like feel. As I mentioned earlier, the oboes play together with the first and second violins, while the bassoon and clarinet follow the viola voices. I choose the oboe as the main instrument because of its fragile and highly emotional sound. The two flutes occasionally provide high notes. I used French horns and tenor trombones, which play the same parts as the violas. The combination of violas, French horns, tenor trombones, clarinets, and bassoons create a rich and complex timbre that suits this emotional, sad music piece. If you found this video lesson interesting and helpful, you can support me by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, subscribing, or even buying me a coffee. Thanks for watching. Wishing all my wonderful YouTube subscribers a very happy new year.